My name is Bruno Ache Akwa. I am a PhD candidate in the Department of Human Development and Family Science of the College of Human Sciences. I fell in love with the understanding of human behavior and mental processes. And I was just going through some of the R1 institutions looking at different programs that relate to human development, and I came across Auburn. So from the very first day I got here, I was welcomed by not just a department or a college. I was welcomed by very good human beings. The motto of the department is people helping people. I could see that in their personal lives from day one. I'm looking at associations between risk factors within an adolescent, how all of those predictors are working together to predict different outcomes in mid-adolescent. There are readily available resources to utilize to ease the work. It's like a community. People will smile back at you. Everyone is ready to go out of their way to assist you with whatever challenge that you're facing. Coming to a place like Auburn is a guarantee that you're coming to a place of excellence. You're coming to a place where there is teamwork, collaboration, where people are helping people, which is the core of human development.